In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new record from within a playbook in Hubspot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to refine your workflow, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. First things first, head over to the HubSpot homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. You should see the login button prominently displayed on the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this brings up the login screen where you can enter your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, don't forget your device for that extra verification step. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken straight to the HubSpot home. This is where all your tools and resources are centralized, making it easy to access what you need in seconds. Now from the main dashboard, look for the library option. You're going to want to click on this next. The library is essentially your collection hub. Think of it as the space where all your playbooks, templates, and files are stored. Inside the library, you'll find different categories, and one of those will be playbooks. Click on the playbook section to open a list of all the existing playbooks you or your team might have created. It's a fantastic feature that allows you to streamline your workflows and optimize team collaborations. Now it's time to add a new layer to your playbook. Click on Add Title. This option lets you start creating a new playbook entry or editing an existing template to fit your needs. Feel free to input a title that reflects the purpose of the record you are about to create. Once you have filled in a suitable heading, you should see an Insert button. Go ahead and click on Insert, which allows you to insert information, templates, or standardized text. Now let's get into the specifics of recording actions. After inserting your content, navigate to the Actions option on the menu. Clicking Actions will reveal various activities you can undertake via the playbook. This feature offers a rich spectrum of automation capabilities to enhance your productivity within HubSpot. Finally, you'll see an option labeled as Create a Record. Click on Create a Record and this will bring up a menu or form where you can input specifics like the type of record, necessary details, and any related data points. HubSpot provides a user-friendly form to ensure that you're capturing the data thoroughly, so take your time to fill in each field carefully. And there you have it, you've just created a new record from within a HubSpot playbook. This process allows for efficient data management and can enhance tracking performance across your group. Remember to save your work and verify the new record for accuracy. With practice, these steps will quickly become second nature, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without this efficient feature. Thanks for following along and happy record creating.